Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company LBMC Staffing Solutions. They're looking for an accounts payable specialist. It pays up to $24 an hour. Our client has an immediate need for an accounts payable specialist. This temp perm opportunity is 100% remote. Job duties for accounts payable specialist: review invoices not coded properly automatically and post invoices to proper accounts and facilities. Communicate with facilities regarding invoices. Review and follow up on communication to accounts payable email account. Requirements: proficient in data entry and management. Experience with Intact GL software would be a huge plus but is not required. Experience with Mineral Tree software would be a huge plus but is not required. Basic proficiency with Microsoft Excel is required. Job type: full-time. Pay $21 to $24 per hour. Schedule: Monday to Friday. Application question: do you have experience with Mineral Tree software? Do you have experience in Intact GL software? Do you have experience in data entry and management? Work location: remote. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.